Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in this wonderful world. Today, I'll share my recipe on how I pickle and preserve beets. I sterilize my jars in the oven on 220 for 25 minutes. Let the jars cool down and then fill them with the beets. You can garnish your beets with anything that you like. I like to add garlic, sometimes onions, and some I'll add ginger, and others I'll add jalapenos and a pickling spice, about a tablespoon to each jar. Here you'll see the jalapenos and the beets, and I'm adding the brine mix. You want to fill it right to the top, leaving about an inch of head space. I am pickling about 18 pounds of beets. So I am adding them into the 32-ounce jars. They will last me over the whole year. And then sometimes I'll take the beets and add them into salads. I use them as side dishes. They're really good for garnishing meals around the holidays. They're really good to take with you if you're invited to dinner. Like my mom used to say, never go to someone's house to eat empty handed. Always bring something. Now I'm wiping the tops of the jars with white vinegar. I also add a little vinegar in my canning pot. That keeps the jars from becoming cloudy after they're canned and you prepare them for storage. Added onions to my beets here and then fresh ginger in the other jars. I'm adding 3 quarts of water because I'm pressure canning my beets for 30 minutes. Place your lids and your rings on fingertip tight, and then put your top on and refer to the USDA home canning guide for your area. My canning pot holds 7 32-ounce regular mouth jars. So this will be 2 sessions of canning. I'll can my beets for 30 minutes. Afterwards, I'll let them sit out and you hear that wonderful popping sound. Absolutely beautiful. I hope you've enjoyed this session with me today. Please hit the like and subscribe button. I hope to see you in the next video. Please have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye bye.